Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay.
Good morning.
In the previous lecture,
Good morning, teacher. Good morning.
okay. Good morning. Now mute your mics. We are going to see the lesson Revti's musical plants. Half part of this lesson we had seen in the previous lecture. We are going to see next half part today. Okay.
Okay.
This lesson is about one girl whose name is Revti, and she was fond of music. Her favorite musical instrument was violin, and she used to play that on that violin every day. There was a courtyard in front of her house, and in that courtyard there is a one cement bench, and that Revati used to Revati used to sit on that bench and practice her violin. One day she saw there are some potted plants in that courtyard. One day she saw one plant, which plant, balsam plant, was not looking normal, and that their green leaves are becoming pale. So she shifted all those pots into the sunlight near that bench, and she every day she used to sit on that bench and play violin. While one day she noticed that while she is playing on violin, that plants are responding to her violin or to her music. So she every day started observing that plants, and she come to know that that plants are responding to the music. They also have feelings, and they also knew music like music. Okay, so then she decided to participate in the contest. Which contest? Best plant contest was there in their colony, and she decided to participate in that contest. So she started. She making her mind. She made her mind, means she decided to take care of that plants and participate in that contest. So she started to water the plants and growing them taller and stronger, and she used to play violin near that plant. Okay, after some days she saw that plants are growing taller and stronger than other plants. So she became very happy, and she keeps that thing secret. She didn't tell anyone about that secret. She keeps that thing as a secret. And when effect or impact of that music was that plants become stronger and healthier, and there are some unusual kinds of flowers also, and she knew that or come to know that the plants are growing fast other than other plants. Okay, so when that day has come, the day of that contest, she wake up early in the morning, but she didn't found that plants in her courtyard. So she become very unhappy. Revati's grief knew no bounds, means she become very unhappy because she didn't find her plants in her courtyard. So she became unhappy and decided not to go to that contest. But her friends are request and forced her to come to that contest with them. So she went to that contest with her friends, and she saw her plants, where there were many plants which are for that contest. She saw her plant in those plants, those another plants. There was her own plant. She recognized that plant, and there was a name of her neighbor's name. In that plant there was her neighbor's name. So she come to know that the neighbor had stolen her plant. So she go to organizers and tell them that this plant is of her own self, and of her own self. But those organizers are not ready to accept that thing. She asked him how she can prove that those plants are herself. But on that time Revati remembered that her plants were responding to her music. So she went to her home and come with that violin. Okay. Now we are going to read next part. We have seen till this sentence in the previous lecture. We are going to read next part. Okay. Revati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizers that she could prove that plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. Means when she told them that she will recognize that plant with that music, because that her plants are responding to her music, all are started laughing to her. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. Means all those things did not discourage her from her mission. So she told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they responded when I played to them. So they all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed us. Yes, they said that all of them said that they had never heard that plants like music, or they have ears to hear music. She felt very dejected. Dejected means sad. She felt very sad, but was determined to win her plants back. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forget her plants for a time, but others could not. Means she decided to win that plants back. She was not interested in prize, but she wants her plants back. So she determined to win that plants, and she started sitting near that plant. She started her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. But others have not time to stay there, but she started her music. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly. Means when she started her playing violin, that plants become straight and then bend towards Revati. Then as she played on and on, their strengths bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. They had watched a new phenomenon of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. Means all of them started to believe on Revati's discovery. Which discovery? That plants had a new phenomenon of responding music. So they all applauded her. They started clapping to her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. Means they now said that those plants are herself. They pulled up her neighbor for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants. Means all they have pulled up, means they have all of the organizers pulled her, means her neighbor, means who had stolen that plant, pulled her angry with her for cheating with them, and after that she accepted, that neighbor had accepted that she had stolen that Revati's plant. So she said while talking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. Means last night she had stolen that plant. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plant deserved the first prize, as they were the best looking and healthy. Means in the end, Revati had got prize for that plant because her plants were very healthy and stronger. So Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. Means Revati went home with the plant and first prize also. Okay? Did you understand this lesson?
Yes.